it's currently 4 in the morning and kakagising ko lang. So, I need to take a shower na and magayos to go to school before going to school. Hi guys, it's me again, Rian, and paalis na ako ng bahay. It's currently 5:20. Bye. Bye guys. See you guys. Hi guys, what's up? Hi guys, this is me again, and it's currently 7:29 AM. And yeah, aga ko na gayos pero late pa rin. What the heck? Walang portrait or landscape yung pag-iintura mo sinabi. Pag ito mali. Ito mali. Baka ako pagpalito. Nagtarampok pa dito pero nakakaiya talaga mag-video. What the heck? Kaya mag-video kasi daming OAT. Wait na nga. Hi guys, this is Rian and this is early. Currently 6:55 and papunta na ako ng school. Pasok na ako. Okay guys.
Tomorrow.
Hi guys, it's Rian and it's currently 5:12 in the morning and going to get ready to shower and I'm going to go to my lola's place to go get my bag later. So, malilate tayo guys. Always naman. Bye. Hi guys, this is Rian and it's currently 5:50 in the morning and kakatapos ko lang mag-shower, so I'm going to get ready na to get my bag and pumunta sa Bloom para sumakay sa papuntang Novaliches. Bye guys! Hi guys, it's Rian and tapos na tayong mag-ayos and it's currently 6:20 and pupunta na ako kay Lola to get my bag.
Yeah.
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
Hi guys! Ay yung kuya ni Bentorino, naglalakad. Wala na siyang energy kasi Di pala siya tumigaw. Ano lang.
Ulat ko lang kayo.
Oo, ginugulat niya kami, tapos nakikitawa siya. Natatawa siya na, pinag-greetipan niya kami. Ay, hindi pa lang pala siya nagtitrip sa amin. Si tita yung nagtitrip sa amin. Pinapatayin yung switch ng ilaw. Nandun na nga yung pang-on ng ilaw sa loob. Pinatay niya yung switch para mawala ng ilaw. Di ba magaling? Ayos siya guys, ayos siya. So, na oras na? 11 na. 11 na guys. Ano yun? Kasalanan ng jeep kasi di siya lumilipad. Kaya na-late ako ng dapat nga punta namin dyan punta na ba't namin 6. Late kami.
Sino ba hindi pinayagan mag-overnight?
Wala.
Ayaw nyo lang?
Ayaw lang ni tita. Bawal daw diba?
Papaganakan din kasi kayo. O kayo, ikaw ka pinapagalitan siya.
Hindi ko magpaalam na. Pwede naman ako overnight pero dito sa nagpaalam na sobrang gabi. Cut. Yeah, that's my church, you know. Yeah, church. Whoa. Ay, aray ko. Naglag yung bag ko. Ito na energy guys kasi. I'm very late. Okay, wait to meeting. Sorry guys if weirdo ako. Ano lang kasi ito eh. This is my daily vlog, you know. Okay. Nakakatawa yun. Hi guys, it's currently 11:44 PM and nakauwi na ako sa bahay ng lola ko. That's all. Thank you guys. Bye-bye.